Here you are looking at a beautiful 2010 Ford E250 Econoline VMI Tuscany high top handicap wheelchair conversion van. 75,000 original miles. This is a beautiful southern van, gorgeous Tuscany conversion, clean Carfax, clean auto check, clean title all the way. It has a Braun UVL, raised roof, raised door entry. This van has a lowered floor, an easy lock system, raised side entry doors, Q-strength tie-down system, full wireless system with the remotes. I'll show you how everything works. Gorgeous condition inside and out. I will point out any flaws that I can find. It is a beautiful 2010 Ford E250 VMI Tuscany conversion handicap wheelchair van. Power doors, loaded with features. It's very hard to find one of these vans with a lowered floor and a raised roof. There is a ton of clearance going inside this van. It does have the rear folding bench seat. It is power. It also has the bed extender, so it's the largest folding down bed that you could get in this type of van. Two-tone leather interior, beautiful chrome wheels, laser straight down the sides. It's very nice. Very little minor wear and tear for the year and mileage. Overall, the van is beautiful. A couple little signs of wear in the striping on the van, which is normal for a van of this age. Overall, the paint shines beautifully. No accidents, smoke free. Beautiful chrome wheels. The tires are about 60% good. It's a match set of Goodyear Wrangler HTs. The top paint is good. Beautiful van, 75,000 original miles, clean Carfax all the way. Beautiful leather interior, two-tone, gorgeous. No rust, non-smoker all the way. Beautiful wood grain interior accents all over. Navigation and backup camera is right. Oh, I can't put it in reverse because the wheelchair lift is down. You have all of your controls for the rear electronics. You have a flat screen TV, DVD system. You can also operate the wheelchair lift right here from these switches. It does have the easy lock system. Everything is fully functional and operating. The Braun UVL wheelchair lift was just serviced and has a brand new circuit board. That's about $1,000. So that was just done at Mobility Works. The wheelchair lift was just serviced. Everything is ready to go on this van. 75,000 original miles. Super low mileage for the year. Beautiful van. There's a little bit of wear showing on the wood grain up at the top of the dash here, and a little bit of wear on the steering wheel, but not bad at all. It still looks and presents itself very beautifully. It's a very nice van. We try to represent every vehicle as accurately as we possibly can. There's a little dent in the front bumper as well. Overall, as you can see, this van shows beautifully. It is immaculate inside and out. One of the nicer vans you can find out there on the market for sure. We buy and sell handicap wheelchair conversion vans, and we're happy to help at any time. We accept trade-ins of any sort. We can help with financing back to a 2009. And we can also help with shipping to any destination worldwide. We accept all types of trade-ins. Let us know what you have. We're happy to help you at any time. As you can see, it's a beautiful van. Give us a call or send us a text, 954-561-2499. If you have any questions or concerns, we are happy to help at any time. You have your Q-strength tie downs in the floor. You have your easy lock system. You have your rear entertainment system. TV, everything is functional. Beautiful, gorgeous limo, LED lighting, two-tone leather. That bed can be operated from either this control panel here, it slides back and forth, or goes up and down. You do need to remove the headrest in order to have the bed go all the way down. There is an extender in the back. I'm going to show you that. You have all your wood grain storage cabinets everywhere. Just a really nice van. Has all the original literature and paperwork that came with it from new. That is a Braun UVL, all wireless system. I'm standing up in here and I'm 5'10", and I'm just barely hitting the ceiling, if not at all. Beautiful van. Give us a call or send us a text, 954-561-2499. We are happy to help at any time. It's a really beautiful van. We try to buy and sell the nicest vans we can find, rust free. We go through them. This van has been serviced. It is ready to go. The wheelchair lift was just serviced. Like I said, has a brand new circuit board, which is the biggest piece of maintenance you can do on a Braun UVL. Here we have the backup camera is right here, located in the back, and it's just a beautiful van. Give us a call at 954-561-2499 if you have any questions or concerns. We are happy to help. I'm going to show you how the wheelchair lift works here. There's a wireless system. I'm stowing it. Goes up and down, does everything it's supposed to do. Like I said, it was just serviced. We have documentation of all of that as well. This van is fully loaded, has every possible option you could have gotten. Navigation, backup camera. Gorgeous. Look at the condition. You can see, shows beautifully, 75,000 miles. Gorgeous, gorgeous van. 5.4 liter V8. Give us a call at 954-561-2499 if you have any questions or concerns. Happy to help at any time. Thank you.